Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. Space exploration has taken us from the moon to Mars. But how much do you really know about the biggest milestones in space history? From NASA's Apollo missions to SpaceX's bold innovations, we're covering it all. Did you know there was once a mission that tried to land on Mars and failed? Find out what happened. You'll have 25 questions to test your knowledge with just 10 seconds to answer each one. Grab a pen and paper and let's see if you're a cosmic expert or if you need a space refresher. Let's launch into the quiz. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! Which was the first artificial satellite launched into space? Apollo 11, Sputnik 1, or Explorer 1? Sputnik 1. Who was the first human to travel into space? Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, or Yuri Gagarin? Yuri Gagarin. Which mission first landed humans on the moon? Apollo 11, Apollo 10, or Apollo 13? Apollo 11. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? SpaceX was the first company to send a rover to Mars. Yes, you are right. It's false. NASA's Sojourner was the first rover to land on Mars in 1997. Which planet did NASA's Viking 1 land on in 1976? Mars, Venus, or Jupiter? Mars. What was the first reusable spacecraft? Apollo Command Module, Soyuz, or Space Shuttle Columbia? Space Shuttle Columbia. Which country launched the first space station? Salyut 1, United States, Soviet Union, or China? Soviet Union. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. What is the purpose of the James Webb Space Telescope? To replace the ISS, to study the origins of the universe, or to search for water on Mars? To study the origins of the universe. Which rover first confirmed water once existed on Mars? Spirit, Opportunity, or Curiosity? spirit. Who was the first woman in space? Sally Ride, Peggy Whitson, or Valentina Tereshkova? Valentina Tereshkova. It's memory time! Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! What was the main goal of the Voyager 1 mission? Land on an asteroid. Bring samples from Mars. Or explore the outer planets and interstellar space. Explore the outer planets and interstellar space. Which space agency successfully landed a probe on a comet in 2014? ESA, European Space Agency, NASA, or Roscosmos? ESA, European Space Agency. Which space telescope provided the most detailed images of deep space? Chandra X-ray Observatory, Hubble Space Telescope, or Spitzer Space Telescope? Hubble Space Telescope. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! Which company was the first private entity to send astronauts to space? SpaceX, Blue Origin, or Virgin Galactic? SpaceX. What is the name of the first interstellar object detected passing through our solar system? Halley's Comet, Ceres, or Oumuamua? Oumuamua. What is the main purpose of the Artemis program? To establish a base on Mars, to return humans to the moon, or to build a new space station? To return humans to the moon. Would you rather travel to Mars but never return? Or live on the moon with occasional visits to Earth? Comment down below. Which of these planets has been visited by a spacecraft? Uranus, Neptune, or Pluto? Which Mars rover successfully landed in 2021? Perseverance, Curiosity, or Opportunity? Perseverance. What is the primary goal of the Parker Solar Probe? To explore Saturn's rings? To land on an asteroid? Or to study the Sun's outer atmosphere? To study the Sun's outer atmosphere. Did you know the footprints left by Apollo astronauts on the moon could last for millions of years because there's no wind or water to erase them? Which space mission successfully landed on Titan, Saturn's largest moon? Galileo, Huygens probe, or New Horizons? Huygens probe. Which space agency developed the Chang'e lunar missions? JAXA, ISRO, or China National Space Administration, CNSA? China National Space Administration, CNSA. Which spacecraft holds the record for the fastest object ever made by humans? Parker Solar Probe, Voyager 1, or New Horizons? Parker Solar Probe. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. Which space mission first visited Pluto? Voyager 2, New Horizons, or Cassini? New Horizons. Which of these missions aims to prevent asteroid collisions with Earth? Kepler mission, ExoMars, or DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test? DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test. Which rover discovered organic molecules on Mars? Curiosity, Perseverance, or Opportunity? Curiosity. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? The Apollo 11 mission was the first attempt to land humans on the moon. Yes, you are right, it's true. Apollo 11 successfully landed on the moon in 1969, making history. Which planet has NASA confirmed to have a moon with a global subsurface ocean? Venus, Saturn, Enceladus, or Mars? Saturn, Enceladus. You've made it to the end of our space adventure. Whether you aced the quiz or learned something new, exploring the cosmos is always an exciting journey. From historic moon landings to the latest Mars missions, space exploration continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be part of the next giant leap for humankind. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing science and tech quizzes.